I am Deepa Rajani, a health coach for celiacs and other autoimmune diseases. I am a certified health coach from IFM USA residing in Mumbai. Currently practicing as a health coach and functional nutritionist for celiacs and other chronic conditions. Being a celiac myself, I understand every single challenge that you celiacs are going through. I have been helping several celiac patients who are facing chronic challenges, who are really frustrated with their digestion, skin issues, food allergies, and are constantly stressing about what to eat, what not to eat, and where can they find what they wish to eat. I'm sure patients like you have visited doctors and specialists, but your challenges haven't been resolved. I feel your pain, as having been through these challenges for nearly 15 years and suffering through the same pain, I want to make it easy for you. Suffering is a choice we make, and so is health. So today, let's make the choice to be healthy. Let's choose to ease disease. I would like to begin by telling you my story of being a celiac and how functional medicine and following the ease disease protocol helped me to transform my life. There has been a day in all our life when, some of us who were diagnosed with autoimmune conditions, the day our life changed forever. This moment has been in all our lives. When the doctor told you for the first time you are a celiac, a diagnosis that shook me to my very core. Foods that we presumed were healthy for us were actually destroying us. You begin questioning everything that is happening in your life. Like, what is good for me? What is bad for me? What can I eat if I can't eat gluten? Because every food I ate so far had gluten. Most of the foods that I ate had gluten so far. So, you go through this sinking feeling that, what is happening here? And the first side effect of being diagnosed with celiac or an autoimmune condition is definitely stress, then confusion and helplessness. But last but not the least, depression. And why me? Reply in the chat box if any of you have felt this at some point in your life. Please do reply in the chat. They say that every challenge is a lesson, which when learned can be a blessing in disguise. When challenges come our way, and even the best doctors don't have the answers as to why is a certain challenge happening and why is our own body attacking itself, you are helplessly forced to seek answers from a higher self. You are a celiac, a word I heard for the first time in my life. What does that even mean? It means that your body cannot digest gluten. Another word I heard for the first time, and I asked the doctor again, can you please clearly explain what does that mean? And he went on to describe that celiac is an autoimmune condition. Again, autoimmune condition was something I had heard for the first time in my life. It is a disease in which your body cannot digest wheat and wheat-based products. In fact, your body treats it as an invader and starts attacking the villi in your small intestines, causing your intestines to be damaged. And did you know that your small intestines are responsible to help you with digestion and absorption of the food that you eat? And this was never told to me. So in my case, because I was not aware of what was wrong with me, and for so many months, and I was eating gluten, the villi in my small intestines was severely damaged, causing very poor digestion, absorption of nutrition, leading to a lot of challenges like bloating, gas, acidity, weakness, diarrhea, anemia, and obviously I was suffering. But the next question to the doctor, how do I heal myself? Well, the only answer that I got is the only solution is a lifelong gluten-free diet. Another word I had heard for the first time. Other than that, there was no solution given. But is that all I need to do to end my suffering? Not understanding the huge challenge in front of me, at that point I just went home, completely lost. And there were so many things racing through my mind, If I don't eat gluten, will I be completely healed? If my gut lining is so severely damaged, how do I repair it? If right now my digestion is so poor and I'm suffering from bloating, gas, etc., how do I heal myself? And if there's malabsorption of nutrition from food, how do I nourish myself? If I don't, these were questions that I never got answers to. Are these questions that you really want answers to? Is there anyone out there? Please reply in the chat box if these are answers that you have been looking for and answers to which you have never got. Please reply in the chat box. Well, we all want answers to these questions, and we all learn things the hard way, and that is life. So after years of suffering and learning and finally understanding how to deal with this challenge, called celiac, I decided to empower myself with all the knowledge I could to help me live a healthier life in spite of this disease. And today I stand before you to make it easy for you. You know, a doctor can only prescribe a medicine, but only you can heal yourself. And today, as a certified health coach and a functional nutritionist, my knowledge and wisdom may help you all in your journey of healing. I believe I'm a celiac for a reason. I was chosen to tread this path as there was a higher purpose. My journey with autoimmune challenges probably started from childhood, and I wasn't even aware of it back then. Always being undernourished as a child, with weak eyesight, fearful, having strange illnesses going on. Each of us is fighting a battle the other knows nothing about. And I went through life with various health issues. Both my parents passed away at a young age. My dad passed away with a sudden cardiac arrest 20 years ago. My mum also died with a heart attack at the age of 70. Both my parents passed away early. And at that time, not knowing why something happened so suddenly without a warning, you feel completely helpless and lost. Well, I tried my best to be gluten-free as much as I could, but with not enough knowledge and information, I kept eating gluten unknowingly and kept suffering for years until God decided to give me a wake-up call. When God decides to push you in a certain direction and you don't listen, He shoves you. And you keep facing the same challenges until you learn your lessons from them. And that is exactly what happened with me. Not being able to eat properly was making me a very angry, irritable and depressed person. Always thinking why me was making me very negative. And they say, when you give more attention to the wrong things in your life, well, you attract more of the wrong things back into your life. Well, that is exactly what happened with me. Because at the age of 7 years, suddenly my younger daughter started losing a lot of weight. Out of nowhere, a hale and hearty child was suddenly diagnosed with autoimmune hepatitis, where her body was attacking her liver. Now my worst nightmares had come true because I had to tell my 7-year-old daughter to stop eating all of her favorite foods. It's a nightmare when you go for birthday parties and everything being served there contains gluten, and you have to ask your child not to touch a single thing on the table. I think that those were some of the worst days of my life. And even worse was that since her liver profiles were so high that the doctor prescribed steroids and immunosuppressants. Those medications were so scary. Reading up about them on the internet and the side effects that they could cause made me get extremely scared of those medicines, and I truly did not want to give her that medicine. But having no other choice, I started with those medicines. But at that point, I made a decision that there has to be a better way to heal. I decided that this cannot be the only way, and I truly prayed with all my heart and soul to the higher power to guide me to a better solution. Not knowing which way to turn to, so of course I decided that the divine had to guide me, and trust me, He guided me to this most beautiful science called functional medicine. And 7 years after I was diagnosed with celiac, I finally began to understand what was wrong with my body. And most importantly, now I began to understand why is this disease there in the first place. In fact, I could see now that both my parents had autoimmune challenges, because of which they both died of a sudden cardiac arrest. This beautiful, intelligent body of ours is always giving us signs and signaling us that something is wrong. It is we who have to pause and learn to listen and read these signs. इस जिंदगी की भागदौड़ में हम, what is most important to us, now we forget to, we ignore the most important part of our life, Why don't we pay more attention to more important things in our life? Every cell in our body responds to our thoughts. The thoughts we have in our mind, and that is what manifests as health or disease in our body. The environment we live in, the thoughts we choose to think, what we eat, how well we digest, how relaxed or stressed we are, all together decides how healthy or unhealthy we will be. Functional medicine helps you to understand the cause. जब तक हम किसी चीज का कारण नहीं जान सकते, we cannot heal that part of us. So I want to start by explaining what functional medicine is, a little bit about what I studied in functional medicine, how it helped me to heal. Functional medicine is a science-based approach. It begins by telling us that each of us is unique, like everyone else. So functional medicine realizes this and takes a personalized approach to healing every person. Why do you have the ailment in the first place? What is causing this beautiful complex system to not function properly is how functional medicine approaches you. What is causing your immune system to malfunction? For every challenge, Once you remove the cause, the effect will not remain. Instead of treating the symptoms, we treat the underlying root cause and the symptoms disappear. Functional medicine is a science that healing from the inside outside, going to the root cause, and they don't just deal with symptoms. And that is what really helped me to understand where my challenges were coming from. It treats the human body as an integrated whole, and always there is a cause for every disease. So there's always a trigger in our environment, like toxins, infections, allergens, poor stress, poor diet, are all the underlying causes of problems. For example, if you are having a thyroid, if you're facing a high thyroid or facing bloating, acidity, etc., other chronic conditions like acne, high blood pressure, arthritis, all of these conditions in conventional medicine are treated with, only treating the symptoms, and they simply suppress the symptoms, but they don't bring any long-term healing. In functional medicine like Ayurveda, we believe that the root cause of all diseases lies in the gut. And in functional medicine, to heal, the first step what we need to do is heal something that we call as a leaky gut. I'll explain that a little later, what leaky gut is about. Functional medicine also looks at the mind-body connection, which is often ignored in conventional medicine and is not taken into consideration. Functional medicine views symptoms as a reflection of common interconnected imbalances in the functioning of the body. So functional medicine, like I said, looks for various reasons for a symptom to be there. So the number of reasons that can be there that are causing your disease is maybe some allergens in your body, some viruses, maybe the diet and lifestyle you're living is not up to the mark, is causing triggers in your body. Stress is one of the biggest factors that plays a role in your health or ill health. Genetics, you cannot control the genetics, but what triggers on and off genes really matters on the lifestyle we live. Immune system dysfunction, metabolic dysfunction, insulin resistance, nutritional deficiencies. So many times the diet we eat is so incomplete that we have nutritional deficiencies that lead to challenges in our life. In the environment we live in, the toxins we have, all of this leads to health or ill health. Every person is unique. Every individual may have different underlying causes for their symptoms. That's what functional medicine believes. So for example, if I'm having gas or acidity, why? I am facing food allergies or intolerances. What is causing this? For every challenge, there is a cause. And once you remove that underlying cause, the symptoms will not remain. This is something that I learned through functional medicine. And these are some of the things that no one ever told me. I would like to share that with you. Did you know 40 to 50% of cases, acid reflux is not caused due to acidic stomach. In fact, it is caused due to low stomach acid or low digestive enzymes. And antacids are only going to make matters worse. Did you know a damaged gut lining should be corrected ASAP, as it means poor absorption of nutrition from the food you eat? That means anemia, osteoporosis, brain fog, all caused even when you're eating healthy, as body is not absorbing nutrition. Did you know a leaky gut allows toxins to flow into the bloodstream, leading to joint pain, skin allergies, food allergies, and lots more? Did you know 1 week of antibiotics can wipe out all the good bacteria in your gut, and it can take years to build that bacteria back in balance? SIBO and C4, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, are generally present in patients with autoimmune disorders. Did you also know that there's a deep connection with your gut and the brain? The gut bacteria affects the brain, which in turn affects your gut health. Did you know that gut bacteria affects food allergies? Lesser the number or lesser the diversity of the gut bacteria you have, higher are the chances of having allergies. Did you know that eating bacteria can be healthy? We're exposed to bacteria from birth. Even as adults, adding bacteria like kefir, yogurt, kimchi to your body is great. Also, all probiotics are different. So we need different strains of bacteria and they have different benefits. So taking probiotics under a guidance of a functional medicine doctor or a health coach is very important, and probiotics shouldn't be taken over the counter. Also, did you know that fiber plays a very important key role in keeping your gut healthy, as it feeds the good gut bacteria in your gut. After years of suffering, I finally had answers to what I was looking for. I kept studying the subject over the years, and finally got certified as a health coach and functional nutritionist. And I'm sharing some of the science that I learned about celiac disease. So, what is celiac disease? It is a lifelong autoimmune condition. It is not a food allergy, it is an autoimmune condition. You know, when your immune system goes haywire and starts attacking your own cells and tissues in celiac, the autoimmune response is triggered by the protein gluten, which is found in various grains. So when your immune system goes haywire and starts attacking your own cells, tissues and organs, it misinterprets our body as a foreign invader and starts attacking the villi, and it creates an autoimmune response. This autoimmune response is triggered by the protein gluten, which is found in various grains like wheat, barley, rye, and many more. Actually, there is a video that I want to try and play, how does celiac affect your body. So just give me a second. Go back and play the video. Is the video play?
Let's take a look at an example of how certain foods can affect our digestive health. In a healthy gut, nutrients are absorbed by small structures called villi, which line the intestines. In celiac disease, gluten, which is a protein present in wheat, triggers an immune response causing inflammation and damage to the villi. This means that the villi can no longer absorb nutrients properly, which can result in bloating, weight loss, and diarrhea.
As you could see in the video, celiac disease affects the lining of the small intestine. There are these finger-like projections called the villi. Basically, the villi in our intestines, the body starts treating the villi as a foreign body and starts damaging that. And the villi has so many important jobs to play in our body that once the villi is damaged, a lot of challenges happen in our body because our body is not able to absorb nutrition from the food that we eat. The toxins flow into our bloodstream, causing various health challenges, because obviously the things that are not supposed to flow into our bloodstream start flowing into our bloodstream. So one of the major side effects of being celiac is the damage of the villi and malabsorption of nutrition. And this was something that, you know, I was never explained by my doctors. And obviously not knowing that, you know, that is a challenge that I'm facing caused me to really suffer for many, many years together. And finally, when I studied functional medicine, I started understanding, you know, what is exactly going on in my body. So, you know, there's so many symptoms that you may be facing as a result of an autoimmune disorder or being a celiac. You know, symptoms like gas, bloating, indigestion, diarrhea, constipation, vomiting, severe stomach cramps, also non-gastrointestinal symptoms that you may never connect to celiac or an autoimmune disorder, migraines, weaker bones, severe fatigue, mouth ulcers, skin allergies, rashes, eczema, food intolerances, allergies, joint pains, type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, abnormal liver function, neurological disorders, infertility, brain fog, numbness in hands and feet. All of these could be correlated to an autoimmune disorder or celiac disease, but many of us do not even realize that these things could be connected. And you know what are the complications of untreated or undiagnosed celiac? Well, it leads to a lot of complications because you don't know that you're eating foods that are triggering an autoimmune response. There is malabsorption. So obviously you're deficient in a lot of vitamins like B vitamins, calcium. It leads to anemia. Your bone can get weakened. You can create, you can cause food allergies like lactose intolerance. It can even lead to cancer, nervous system problems, autoimmune conditions like Crohn's, ulcerative colitis, and lots more. You know, how many of you out there are facing one or more of these symptoms and did not know that this could be an autoimmune challenge? Please do get yourselves tested and checked for any challenges that you may be facing. Well, do you believe that these symptoms can be taken care of? You know, how many of you feel that these are symptoms that can be taken care of? Because at least I did not know that these symptoms could be taken care of for a very long time. Well, the answer is yes, these symptoms can definitely be taken care of. And the answer to that is healing your gut. most important thing that you can do to heal your symptoms is understand what it is to heal your gut. So whenever you eat anything, it has to pass through your digestive tract and through the small intestine. So there are these tight junctions in your intestines which are called the villi. Now the villi is like the sewage churning. When you have a churning and you chano everything so that nothing bad goes through and only the liquid that you need comes through. Or imagine you have a sewage pipe, where the garbage is flowing through the pipe because there are holes in the pipe. Now obviously there's dirt flowing into the sink and you don't want that happening. So you have to get it cleaned and repaired. That's exactly what happens with the villi. When the villi get damaged, the toxins that are not supposed to flow through our blood, flow through into the body, flows into our bloodstream, causing a lot of complications, and that is something we don't realize because it's a very it's happening within our body and we don't know what is causing the challenge. But today, through functional medicine, you are learning that we have something called the villi, which really protects us, which absorbs nutrition from the food we eat, which does not allow toxins to flow into the bloodstream. So if you're facing any of the challenges mentioned above, please do follow a gut healing protocol. How many of us know how to heal the gut? I mean, please reply in the chat box if you don't know or you know how to heal the gut, because I think that is one of the most important things we need to do today. So celiac disease may not be curable, but you can surely heal your gut and live a healthier life. And the first step to healing your gut is definitely a lifelong gluten-free diet if you're diagnosed with celiac. And if there is an autoimmune disorder, then definitely removing things that could cause an autoimmune response. Also, what are the causes of celiac and autoimmune diseases? Like we spoke earlier, a lot of things in our environment lead to those diseases. Your belief systems, the thoughts you think, the medicines you take, the lifestyle you lead, all of these could be causing your autoimmune challenges. But did you know how common is this challenge? 6 to 8 million Indians suffer from celiac disease, and it is more prevalent in North India. Plus, it is doubling. The prevalence is doubling over every 20 years. And the worst thing is that because people are not aware of this challenge, only 30% are diagnosed and nearly 60% go undiagnosed. If you're having any of these symptoms, please do get yourself diagnosed. The number one obstacle you are facing towards getting the health you wish for is lack of knowledge and support. Everyone wants to get healthy, but they don't know how. And now you need to start asking the right questions. So, a health code guides you to seek the right answers. Chronic diseases are lifestyle and diet related and require dietary and lifestyle solutions. Conventional medicine fails to take into account the genetic makeup. Functional medicine emphasizes on high quality phytonutrient diversity, good food, and understand that your diet and lifestyle and the food you eat have a very important role to play in your health. Following a functional medicine approach to health is about making the right choices. Do I want to live with suffering, or do I want to empower myself with the right knowledge to live a balanced, happy, healthy, and fulfilled life? Each day living joyously healthy by making the right choices. I was told by one of the best gastros at AIIMS that don't even think of taking my daughter off the steroid. That is impossible. But I believe that even the word impossible has I am possible in it. And whatever you believe to be true will come into your life. So please believe in only what you want and what you don't want. And with all my heart, I believe that. And within 2 years, I was able to get my daughter off the steroid. This challenging journey helped me to witness so many miracles that it led me to become an author of my very first book, The Magic in You, Awaken Your Soul. It's available on Amazon. Please do buy it. It is a beautiful, very, very empowering book. And the lockdown gave me the chance to study two of my most beautiful subjects. I got the chance to study the Bhagavad Gita and functional medicine. So please do buy the book and read it. And I think now it's time that we start living more intelligently, living a balanced life where we give some time to understand what your mind, body, and spirit truly needs. So yes, I have created a program called Ease Disease, which is a 4-step approach to, specially designed for celiacs and people with other autoimmune conditions to start living a healthier life. Ease Disease is a program which aims to bring to you the highest level of health you hope to achieve. It is a 4-step approach. E stands for eliminating the trigger foods. So one of the main reasons we have inflammation in our body is because the food that we put into our mouth. Things like gluten, dairy, corn, soya, the vegetable oils, all of these foods can cause inflammation in our body. And so the first step to helping our body to thrive is eating food based on how will it affect my body. Food can either heal us or nourish us or harm and inflame us. Step 2 in the yeast disease process is A. Very, very important. Adding the right nourishing foods into our diet. Eating whole and fresh foods, proteins, good fats, fiber, phytonutrients, colorful vegetables and fruits, necessary supplements. All of this have to be a part of your diet on a daily basis. Proteins are the building blocks of our body. Good fat is the building block of the brain. We need to have good fats in our diet, which we tend to ignore many times. S stands for sealing the leaky gut. Now you know how important it is to seal that leaky gut. So supplementing the gut with probiotics and prebiotics will help seal the gut. Enhance your diet with adequate macronutrients and micronutrients. Supplement with gut healing supplements like zinc, carnosine, L-glutamine. Avoiding or restricting unhealthy fats and sugars. Avoiding high FODMAP foods. All of this will help to seal the leaky gut. E is last but not the least, enriching the gut microbiome, increasing the diversity of good bacteria to reduce infections and improve digestion and absorption. In many autoimmune disorders, specific strains of bacteria are missing. So we need to add these back through fermenting of curds, adding supplements or other fermented foods. Some of the good bacteria are Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium, Saccharomyces boulardii. But again, please do this under the guidance of a health coach or a functional medicine doctor. I would like to conclude by saying that the yeast disease program is a complete 360-degree gut healing program, especially designed for celiacs and other autoimmune disorders. And the 3 key takeaways is you will learn to listen to your body and what it is trying to tell you. Why are these symptoms there and what is causing them? You will gain the right knowledge and heal from the root cause. That is the aim of the yeast disease program. And I, as a health coach, will help you to find that inner wisdom and understand this, that why is the disease there in the first place. Also, how to break those stubborn habits that are causing the triggers for your health and challenge. To help you understand that food is not only meant to satisfy your taste buds. Food is information for your body. It is what you eat either which is nourishing you or making you sick. So, you need to understand that you are responsible for your health. So take back your power and take responsibility to be the creator of your life. I will take you on a journey towards good physical health, peaceful mind and a happy spirit, and I will hold you accountable to achieve your goals. I will help you to get rid of your symptoms. At the same time, I will guide you to understand your body and truly heal in mind, body, spirit. To make the right choices today towards gaining better health, what one needs is the right knowledge, and this beautiful program called Yeast Disease is here to empower you with the right knowledge, to help you understand the signs and symptoms your body is giving you and how to heal from the major root causes of your autoimmune conditions. I want to devote my time and wisdom and knowledge to the people in need. Celiac disease or any other autoimmune condition can be very challenging, and sometimes even the best doctors in conventional medicine don't have the answers to heal us. But with the right knowledge and wisdom of functional medicine, you can begin to understand what your body is trying to tell you, and you can start your journey towards much, much better health. Thank you so much for being here, and do connect with me on my social media channels or on the number given below so that we can connect and gain a much better health. Thank you so much.